Okay, good morning, friends. I don't know if this thing is even recording, to be honest. I'm on my phone, which usually means horrible audio, but I wanted to pop in here while I'm driving to work, which is probably not the best idea in terms of, driving safely in New Jersey, but I just wanted to hop on just very quickly, unfiltered, no editing, no nothing, and just thank you guys so much for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers. Oh my god, I can't even believe it. It's still a little bit unreal. So it hasn't really settled in yet, so I haven't made any specific plans for how we're going to celebrate this and what's going to happen, but there will definitely be some sort of live giveaway, celebration, shenanigans. I'll have to figure out when and how and what and who I'm going to, well, not who I'm going to invite. I pretty much know. Like, I have my YouTube crew that will be very much invited. But I just wanted to thank you guys. This means honestly a lot to me because my little tree here is blocking my my camera. This means so much to me because, in case you don't know, making YouTube videos, it takes effort and work and time and editing them and all of that good stuff. So I'm just really happy that it's appreciated and that 1,003 or something people bothered to hit that subscribe button on my videos. I see you guys in the comments. I know my OGs who have been here from the start, and I just appreciate you guys so much, and thank you for being here and just putting up with my shenanigans and hopefully getting something out of my videos. I guess I will keep doing what I'm doing, and I'm excited to bring more content, new content, fun new little thrift adventures and hauls, and of course unboxings. I'm hoping to bring What Sold videos back, but sales have been so slow that I don't even know what to film there. But that all being said, I'm working on a video actually about Makari. I know, who is she? So look forward to that, and yeah, we're gonna celebrate 1K. I'm gonna get to work now because I still have, that real job that I need to attend to. And you guys, thank you so much. We will celebrate in style, and yeah, stick around. If you're not subscribed yet and you're seeing this, what are you waiting for? Join the family, okay? And I will see you guys very soon. Mwah.